up, you guys? Dude, out here, man. Holy crap. What is going on in the world, you guys? Unbelievable, man. Dude, I'm trying to self-isolate out here by myself as usual. But, dude, I got the Outcast with me. And I haven't driven this in a good while. This is the OG Outcast. This is the truck that started it all for me, man. This was my first love. This thing is absolutely amazing. It is super tough, still running, stock chassis. It's got some, you know, the upgraded shock towers and a rear brace. That's about it. You know, very cool truck. And dude, I figure I'm gonna come out here. I got the ramps. I'm gonna rip this thing for a little bit. Dude, I hope all you guys are staying safe. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys. Whoo! I haven't driven this in a good while. So yeah, she is nuts, man. She is nuts. But super tough truck. I love this thing. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Got to get used to the short wheelbase again. You know, I haven't driven a 6S rig, you know, in a good little bit here. This thing's just gonna go nuts on me. Woo! Unreal, you guys. Unreal. Ton of power with this thing, man. Unbelievable. See if we could get this lined up good. Come on now. And it's just nuts. It is just nuts, man. Yeah, so I hope all you guys are staying safe, you know, doing what you got to do. Some people are, you know, whoa. Back in there, buddy. There you go. Yeah, some people are taking it serious, some people are not, you know, I mean, I guess it is what it is. This thing just wants to fly, you guys. Good grief, man. Ah, this wire. Dang it. This thing just wants to fly. See if we could stall it out pretty good up there, what? That's nuts. You got it easy with her. You can't fool. You can't full throttle it off the ramp like that, bro. She'll just go nuts on you. Great truck, man. I love this thing. Woo. Wow. Outcast, you guys. What's gonna break on her, huh? What's gonna break? Woo, boy, she's an animal, guys. Tell you what, dude, I love this frickin' thing. I love this thing. And this is OG, man, original from back in the day. You guys know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Woo-hoo-hoo, Lord. It does. It takes a good beating, you know. I mean, it is just super tough. The ground out here, it is tough as hell, you guys. This is all coral ground that they dig up. And I mean, dude, you're talking tough, dude. Holy smokes. As bad as doing that on cement, you know. Yeah. So, you know, it takes a little bit to get used to, but super fun, you guys. Super fun truck. You know what? I'm gonna get out of here, dude. So I'm gonna hit one more little jump here, you guys. Nice. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And yeah, the Outcast, I love it. OG, baby. Woohoo! All right, you guys, I'll see you on the next video. I appreciate you watching. You guys stay safe out there. And yeah, get you an Outcast, dude. You won't be disappointed. Get you an Outcast. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.